Your Majesty, it is with great honor that I stand before you today. The British North America Act lies before you, awaiting your royal assent to establish the Dominion of Canada.
Sir John, this is indeed a momentous occasion. The unification of Canada has long been a dream. Tell me, how do you envisage this new Dominion?
Your Majesty, on the first day of July, this act will unite the provinces of Canada, New Brunswick, and Nova Scotia under one federal system. Our goal is to create a strong, prosperous nation under your reign, with a government modeled after your own parliament.
Unity and strength are indeed vital for prosperity. Describe to me the structure of this new government.
We have designed a federal system with a parliament that includes an elected House of Commons and an appointed Senate. Each province will maintain its own legislature and certain powers, but all will be united under a central government, ensuring both unity and respect for regional diversity.
A well-considered arrangement. It is clear that much thought has been given to balance and fairness. What challenges do you anticipate in this new undertaking?
Your Majesty, while the path ahead may be challenging, we are resolute. We must balance the diverse cultures and interests of our provinces, ensuring that all voices are heard. Additionally, the development of infrastructure in this vast land will be essential for our growth.
I trust in your leadership, Sir John. May your efforts be blessed with success. How do you foresee Canada's future within the British Empire?
Your Majesty, it is our fervent hope that Canada will grow strong and remain a loyal part of the British Empire, contributing to its greatness while flourishing as a self-governing nation. We aim to preserve our ties with Britain while fostering our own national identity.
Such aspirations are commendable, Sir John. On July 1st of this year, the provinces of Ontario, Quebec, New Brunswick, and Nova Scotia will unite under the Dominion of Canada.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Your support is invaluable to us. We shall strive to meet the expectations and responsibilities that come with this great honor.
Go forth with my blessing, Sir John. May the Dominion of Canada be a beacon of unity and strength for all its people.
You guys ready?
I'm so excited.
Let's go.
This is going to be fun.
Always.
Yeah.
It might be better than last time.